In this video, you will understand artificial intelligence ability to process human language. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Lesson title, Introduction to Natural Language Processing. What is NLP? Why is NLP important? Which are key NLP tasks explained with examples? How NLP works and its future. What is NLP? NLP enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP is a combination of linguistics, AI, and machine learning. Real-world applications of NLP like chatbots, voice assistants, search engines. Why is NLP important? NLP bridges the gap between human communication and machine understanding, automates text analysis for businesses and research, enhances user experiences, like in virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri, ChatGPT. Which are key NLP tasks? There are total 6 key NLP tasks. 1. Text classification. 2. Tokenization. 3. Stemming and lemmatization. 4. Part of speech, POS. Tagging. 5. Named entity recognition, NER. 6. Sentiment analysis. First task is text classification. It's categorizing emails as spam or non-spam and so on. It assigns predefined categories to text data. Example, if it's emails, like congratulations, you've won a prize. It's A. Spam or like meeting scheduled for tomorrow at 10 a.m. It's A. Important. For example, if it's a news articles, stock markets reach an all-time high. It's A. Finance, new species of bird discovered in the Amazon. It's A. Science.
Second key task of NLP tokenization, splitting text into words or sentences. Tokenization involves splitting text into individual units, called tokens, which can be words or sentences. Example, input. Natural language processing enables computers to understand human language. Word tokens. Natural language processing enables computers to understand human language. Third key task of NLP, stemming and lemmatization. In this task, both processes reduce words to their base or root form. First, let's see in stemming it cuts off prefixes or suffixes to obtain the root form, which may not be a valid word. Let's see with example of stemming. Words running, runner, ran, stemmed, run. In this third key task of NLP, stemming and lemmatization. In this lemmatization task, it transforms words to their canonical form based on context. Canonical form is a standard way of representing an object in a mathematical or computer science context. Example of lemmatization. Words. Better, am, running. Lemmatized, good, be, run. Let's see. Fourth key task of NLP, part of speech, POS. Tagging it. Identifying nouns, verbs, etc. That means assigns grammatical categories to each word in a sentence. Example of part of speech, POS. Tagging. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. POS tags. The, DT, quick, JJ, brown, JJ, fox, NN, jumps, VBZ, like JJ. Here, DT denotes a determiner, JJ an adjective, NN a noun, and VBZ a verb in present tense. Next key task of NLP, named entity recognition. NER is identifying names, dates, locations, and classifies entities in text into predefined categories like names, dates, and locations. Example of NER, C, sentence. Apple Inc. is releasing the new iPhone on September 12th. NER tags, Apple Inc., an organization. iPhone is a product. California shows a location. September 12th shows date. Next key task of NLP, sentiment analysis. Let's clear this with example. Let's review sentence. I love the new design of your website. Sentiment of sentence is positive. Another example. Let's review sentence. The service was okay, but the wait time was too long. Sentiment of sentence, neutral.
How NLP works. Text pre-processing, its cleaning and structuring data, removing stop words, punctuation. Feature extraction, converting words into numerical data, word embeddings, TF-IDF. machine learning models, classifying or predicting meaning based on text input, evaluation, measuring accuracy and performance.
Future of NLP. In large language models, multilingual NLP for global reach, ethical considerations. If any questions, write comments. What NLP applications do you use daily? How do you think NLP will evolve in the next 5 years? Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and share for such more videos.